Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show you my STAPELIA collection. It is flowering. I will put the name on the screen because I really can't just recall on the top of my head. But here's this STAPELIA and how beautiful this flower is. It's like a big old starfish. This is the kind. It would get bigger if it was in its own pot, so I do need to repot this. I need to remove all these plants and just give them their own home because they've outgrown the pot. Then there's this beautiful STAPELIA that was sent to me by a fellow Instagrammer. And look at it, is so happy. I had it inside the house. I think in spring I decided to bring it out, and look at all the beautiful flowers it has. It is crazy, and it's grown so much. I believe I shared the unboxing with you guys when I received this. There were cuttings, and look at how beautiful it looks. So many flowers. This does get a little bit of morning, quite a good amount of morning sunlight, and then in the later afternoon, it does get also some sun as well. But I think it's more of the later afternoon. It has flowers here, there. It produces lots of flowers. It's got so many buds on it. It's so pretty. I am so happy that she decided to share this with me. It is a beautiful plant. Look at there's all kinds of STAPELIAs, and I think it's easier to identify, at least the ones that look similar. It'll be much more easier to identify by looking at the flower. So yeah, there's really cool looking ones online that I've seen and that I hope to eventually have in my collection. So currently it's that flower, the one that looks like a starfish, this one that I have, and then I'll show you this other one. This one right here, I believe is called the LIFESAVER. Look at how beautiful that one is. Such a beautiful, cool looking flower. It looks fake. It looks like a candy as well. So it is a really beautiful flower, and imagine there's so many more unique looking ones out there that I hope to acquire in my collection. I think that they do better in areas where they'll get morning sun, and also morning sun I think is best. I have the same one in a different pot, and it's more has more like maroon colors. I'll show you, but it has not flowered, and I believe it has not flowered yet right now currently because when it was getting too much sun. You can see how it has those like maroon colors. Some parts are turning green, you know, because I have it over here in bright light. So hopefully it will start flowering soon. But I have that one there. It's so beautiful. I really like it. And yeah, I can't wait to see if it produces more flowers. I do have one here coming out, and then this one's about to open, and then another one back there, and there's another one back there. So we'll see. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing my STAPELIA collection. If you guys have any STAPELIAs that are different than mine, I would love to see pictures of the flower. You can, the only way people can send me pictures is through Instagram, because you know, YouTube, there's no other way, or through email. But emails, because you know, you get so much spam that it's just easier to message me on Instagram, and I'm definitely gonna see it, you know. in my email, it can go into my junk box and I'll never know that you emailed me. So it's just easier to send me pictures on Instagram. And yeah, I would love to see your guys' collection. And that's it. I also have been doing some stuff around the garden that I will be updating you guys very soon. So I just wanted to share this real quick with you, because yeah, they're flowering, so I want you guys to be able to see the flowers. I know many people have never seen like these funky looking flowers before, so I think it's pretty cool. When I first saw it, I just couldn't believe it. I think I saw them on Instagram on the flowers. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you so much for just always being there for me and supporting my channel. I appreciate you all. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.